Hi, I'm Nick from Patio Pacific, and congratulations on your new Endura flap wall mount pet door. I'm going to show you how to install it. You're going to need the following tools. Safety equipment, saw, drill with long drill bit, hand drill, torpedo level, long level, pen, screwdriver, tape measure, and a hammer with a wood block. After opening your Endura flap wall mount pet door, it should contain the following: 2 frame assemblies, 1 tunnel kit with associated hardware, 2 packs of weather stripping, 1 pack of aero protectant sealing, 1 pack with dog treats, warranty information and hole plugs, a template, a safety warning card, as well as return information. Okay, let's get started. First, tape the provided template into the desired location. You want to make sure that the cutout line is 1 inch or more above the top of the dog's shoulders, and that you don't drill through any of the studs in the process. Using a stud finder, first mark where your stud locations are. Now I need to align the center of the template along this line. With the template in place, drill through these 4 holes. With the 4 holes drilled, remove the template and draw lines connecting the outsides of the 4 holes. With the lines drawn, now cut along the line to remove the interior piece of the wall. Remove the sheetrock and any insulation. Now let's repeat the process outside by drawing lines to connect the holes and cutting along that line to remove the exterior portion of the wall. The next step is to install the weather stripping into each frame. Start at the center of the bottom of each frame. Now, I'm going to measure the wall thickness to cut the tunnel pieces. Trim the 4 tunnel pieces so that they are 1/4 of an inch shorter than the thickness of your wall. On the 2 smaller portions of the tunnel section, bend the 2 tabs 90 degrees in the same direction. Now, install the tunnel pieces into the inside flap. The inner flap comes with a locking cover. Start by removing the top 2 screws. Now install the top tunnel piece by placing it on top and inserting the screw that you just removed. With the top and bottom tunnel pieces installed, now slide on the side pieces and bend the tabs to keep it in place. Now repeat for the other side. Now we need to cut the 4 threaded studs so that they are 3/4 of an inch longer than the thickness of your wall. Now that we've cut our threaded studs, thread the included nut on to make sure it works. If you have difficulties threading on the nut, put it on the clean edge and thread it all the way through to straighten out the threads. Now we are going to install the barrel nuts onto the threaded studs. Install the barrel nut on the cut side of the threaded stud, but only thread it on 1/2 turn. Now install the 4-inch screw to act as a temporary handle by holding the barrel nut in place and screwing it in 1 turn. Now we are going to insert the flap assembly into the hole from the inside of the house. Remember, the inside flap assembly is the one that has the tunnel. Now remove the locking cover and set it aside. Now we're going to insert the outer frame assembly into the tunnel of the inner frame. Open the flap of the inner flap assembly and pass the outer flap assembly through. Then align it in the tunnel so that it mates accordingly. Now we're going to screw the inner and outer frames together. This step can be challenging, so be patient. First, align the assemblies so that the holes line up. Adjust the assemblies as needed until you can see light out of the hole from the outer assembly. To screw the 2 frame assemblies together, Insert the threaded rod into the hole that you just lined up and screw in by hand. With all 4 threaded studs started loosely, make sure the ped door is level before tightening them down. And then remove the handle. Apply the silicone provided across all the internal seams along the tunnel and caulk as needed on the outside frame to prevent against water damage. Then, using a non-metallic tool, tap in the hole plugs to finish the installation. This concludes the installation of the Endura Flap wall mount ped door. For more information on this or other products, go to petdoors.com. Thanks for watching.